Hello, welcome to MoonStone. Today we will learn how to create editable text effect on Adobe Illustrator. So let's begin. First, open a new project on Illustrator. Resize your artboard according to your preference. Then select some color palettes for your text. You can find trending color palettes on coolers.co website. For text design, firstly change your white background to a gradient color background. So select the gradient icon. Then select your gradient slider and click on the color picker tool. Then click on your color palette. Again, select the other gradient slider and click on another color to make a gradient background. Now select gradient type. We will make it a radial gradient. Now click on type tool. Type your text. Then change your text font. You can select any font you want. Now change your font size. Then click on Alignment Tools to align your text to the center of the artboard. Now click on the Appearance toolbar icon. If you don't find it, then click on Windows and mark on Appearance or type Shift F6 on your keyboard. To create a text effect, click on the Add New Fill icon. You can change your text color from the color swatch, but we will give it a gradient color from our own color palette. So click on Eyedropper tool to copy the gradient color from the color palette. Then click on the Gradient toolbar icon. Adjust the gradient angle to 90 degrees. Now select the color layer and click on plus icon to duplicate the color layer. Then select the duplicate layer and give it another gradient color using Eyedropper tool. Now click on the FX icon to add a new effect to your text. Now go to Distort and Transform. Then click on Transform Effect. We can scale, move, or rotate our text. We will move our text 1 pixel horizontally and 1 pixel vertically. Then make it 10 copies. Check all the options. Click OK. Now again, select the new layer and duplicate it by clicking on the plus icon. Then select the new duplicate layer and give it a new gradient color. Now click on the FX icon. Go to Path and click on the Offset path. Make it more or less 30 pixels. Set the joins to round and click OK. Now select the layer and click on plus icon to duplicate the new layer. Then select the new layer and give it a new gradient color. Then click on the FX icon. Go to Distort and Transform. Then click on Transform Effect. Move the text to 1 pixel horizontally and 1 pixel vertically. Then make it 20 copies. Check all the options. Click OK. For the last time, duplicate it again. Select the new layer. Click on FX and go to Stylize. Click on Drop Shadow. Change the color according to your preference. Then set the mode to multiply opacity to 75%, XY offset to 7 pixels, and blur to 5 pixels. Click OK. We are almost done. Now you can design your background to give your text a better look. You can write anything to change your text. It's completely editable. You can change or modify all the colors of the text as well. You can use this text effect for any design project to make the design more attractive. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more videos on tech solutions.